Hello friends, welcome to Ambitions Calling. In today's video, we are going to explore various free online courses or MOOCs as you call them, offered by various international organizations and learning platforms specifically during this lockdown period so that we remain engaged in our home. As you know, there are various courses being offered for engineering or management or other related fields, but in today's video, I have brought you specifically some courses that you can explore if you are related to the teaching field or if you are a teaching aspirant or so. So let's get started. Before that, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button because I regularly bring videos related to all current information in the field of education, important summaries and discussions of all English chapters of the school level, and I'm also running an English version summary for the CTET exam social science. And with that, let's head on into the video. So the website I'm going to tell you about first is called futurelearn.com. It was basically founded by the British Council and the Massachusetts University of Technology, but various other organizations or leading educational platforms are joined to it and they offer courses here. Now, you should keep it in mind that many courses here are not free. That is, they give you free learning, but the certificate is not free. But today, I'm going to tell you courses which are totally free. That is, you can access them for free and they are valid for lifetime, and you can also get your free certificate. As you can see, they are offering these new collections. Among them, one is Study with Australia Online. Study with Australia Online is providing many courses free of cost only till 30th June, and I have selected some specific courses for you. You will get all the links in the description box. This is teaching students who have suffered complex trauma. As you can see, digital upgrade is free. Next we have bullying in schools. How should teachers respond? You don't need to put any code or anything here. Just go to the course and you can access for free. Next we have supporting adolescent learners' social and emotional well-being. Next we have creating apps in the classroom. Now guys, some courses here will be accessible after 15th June. As you can see, it's written starts 15th June, but they've already given the list in their website, so you can access them and study later on. Then we have transforming digital learning, learning design meets service design. Then we have teaching phonics in early childhood. And we have inclusive education, essential knowledge for success. So as you can see, these are some of the topics which can be essential for you if you are related to the teaching field or if you're teaching aspirant. Next, I'll bring you to another platform called Udemy. Udemy is giving its various courses free of cost with a coupon. That is, they give you a coupon. You have to access that particular coupon within a limited time. That is, you can see here it is 1 day left at this price. That is, this free is only for 1 day. If you access this coupon or if you see this video after 1 day, it will be expired. The code will be expired. So the code you will have to give here is this one. You will get the link in the description box. You need to open the link. As you can see, the first is become a successful online teacher, teach online students. It is free for only 1 day. The coupon I've applied here is this, and it has 5.5 hours of video. As you can see, it has a certificate and it has full lifetime access. Next we see English grammar, tenses and structure. It is also free only for 19 hours, and the coupon I've applied is this, May 1st. Next we have, this is totally free, anybody can enroll. You will get all the links in the description box, instant photo memory for students. Next we have another free, how to become an outstanding school. Next we have teaching training, how to teach online, remote teaching in 1 hour. This is also free only for 1 day guys, and the code I've applied is this one. Next we have instructional design course, all level beginners to advanced. This is also free only for 1 day, and this is the code. That is, you can access this course with this coupon only for 1 day. After this coupon expires, and if you see this video, then the coupon is not going to work. I hope you'll like this video, and if you like it, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of all my upcoming videos. And if you still haven't checked out our Facebook page, do check it. I regularly post updates related to all new happenings in the education world. Do give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.